Welcome. If you want to customize always display in your Sony Xperia 1 Mark III, open the settings, go right here, and then select ambient display. And at first we can change when you want to show this option, so we can go for the smart activation, when device lifted, or always. Here we can enable or disable new notification. We can also add stickers. You can go for this cute dog. And we can enable or disable music information. Take a look right now. As you can see, that's how our always on display looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.